Hey everyone, it's Jamie. So, long time no see. You'll probably hear in my voice that I have a little bit of this head stuff going on. In case you didn't know, I had COVID. My husband and I both did. It's such a strange sickness. It really is. He had his and was done with it in less than a week. And me, it took at least 12 days for me to finally just get up and get dressed and try to live my day normal. But I am still feeling the, um, I don't know, I'm still feeling it, I guess is what I should say. But I tell you what, it kicked my butt. I think I slept for 2 weeks straight, not getting up to do anything. I lost like 12 pounds. So that just goes to tell you that how bad it was. Thankfully, though, I did not end up in the hospital, which I was praying that I would not. But it was kind of touch and go there for a little bit because I wasn't too sure. But anyway, it's a pretty scary situation, but I am so grateful and so thankful that I am pretty much over it now, so I can finally just move on with my life. So I am so far behind. Like I said, it's been at least 2 weeks, maybe longer, since I've filmed a video or put video out. I did have things already for hauls to do, but then I got sick and couldn't do anything. So I'm going to go ahead and, since I already have quite a bit of stuff, I'm going to be splitting it up into different videos so that it doesn't make these videos too long. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with some of the fall things that I found at the Dollar Tree. And this was before I got sick. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I do want to say thank you to those of you who did ask about me. I appreciate it. And I want to say thank you to all of my current subscribers and my new subscribers. I noticed over the last couple weeks that I got several new subscribers, and I'm so grateful and so thankful to you guys. So I appreciate it so much. So hopefully we can get back into the swing of things and I can get back on track, because this is my favorite time of year, is fall and Halloween. So I'm excited to get to showing you guys some things that I have found at the Dollar Tree and doing some DIYs. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So first things that I found, and I got these not for fall per se, but I was thinking Christmas. But I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree. They are the Crafter Square metal plaques, and they had these that were like a star shape. So it's like this galvanized, like the corrugated tin. So I did grab 2 of them, and I do believe there's only 1 per pack. Yeah, there's just 1 in each pack, which, I mean, I think they could have probably put a couple more in there. But anyway, I was thinking maybe Christmas with these. It does have like a little, I don't know, this little hook and eye kind of thing right here, which I'd say you can use if you wanted to put a string or a wire through it and to hang it. So you can make like a banner or something using this. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I did have Christmas in mind when I seen these. So I went ahead and just grabbed 1 or 2 of the stars. And then they also had these. They had other shapes. They had hearts. But I'm just not I'm not big on the heart shape for some reason. But they did have these. They're just calling them metal plaques, and they're just squares of the corrugated tin squares. So you could do different things with this. And I was thinking there was 2 in here, but I think there is just 1. So yeah, there's just 1 per pack. But I thought that was pretty interesting that my Dollar Trees have these, because I've not ever seen them before. And these square ones also have that little hook and eye kind of thing right there. So I don't know. There's all kinds of things though you can do with these. So I went ahead and just grabbed 2 of those. Okay, I think this goes along with like the Cricut and things like that, which I don't have. But you don't have to have a Cricut to have one of these. Because Dollar Tree has the rub-on transfer kind of stickers that you can use, and you can use this for that. But it's the Crafter Square, and it's a craft scraper. So they had 2 different ones. They had this one that's just plain white, and then they had one that had like an orange top, or not an orange, but a purple top. And I don't know what the difference was. I looked on the packaging to see if there was some sort of a difference, but it didn't say. So I don't know if it was just because it was just the color was different, but I just went ahead and grabbed the one that's just plain, you know, just white. So I'll go ahead and grab that. Now, you're going to have to forgive me because, like I said, it's been a couple weeks since I filmed a video, and I'm a little bit out of practice. And, like I said, I'm still dealing with the whole being sick and trying to get back in the swing of things. So I found this. This is the Floral Garden wired jute cord. It's 7.5 feet. Now they have this all the time. I've never purchased it before, but I'm going to be doing some DIYs using some the carvable pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. And so I wanted to get something to maybe use as like a stem or whatever. So this is the wired jute cord. So basically it's just like floral wire and it's wrapped in jute. So I did go ahead and grab one of those. They had some really pretty ribbon, but and I don't really need any more ribbon, but I thought this was cute, so I did go ahead and get it. And it's the black and white buffalo check ribbon. Now this one, I don't think this is wired ribbon. It's just the 5/8 inch by 108 inch or 9 feet. But I did like it, and they did have them in different colors and different patterns and things. But I liked this, so I just grabbed 2 of those. They had these, which I think I've hauled some berry picks like this before that were different color. But they had these with these new colors, so I went ahead and grabbed 1 of each. So, if you guys are going to be able to tell that it's really cloudy here, but I've got my ring light on, so it's kind of putting a glare on the packaging. But, so they are 36 pieces, and they are advertising these, I guess, for Halloween because it does have like a spider web right here, but you don't have to use it for Halloween. You can use them for anything, really. So anyway, I grabbed the orange colored one. I think this is black, like the black color, and then this really pretty dark purple. I think that's so pretty. So I just grabbed 1 of each of those. Something that I'm going to be doing a DIY on is, and I've got these before, but these are the foam dice. You get 4 in here, and this is in the kids' toy section, so it's for ages 3 and up. But I'm going to be doing a DIY using these, and so I went ahead and grabbed another package of those. They had these really pretty signs, and I was lucky to find these because usually my Dollar Tree, if they have this, it's sold out really quick. People grab them up. So, but I thought these were so pretty, and these were the only 2 that they had, so I did grab 1 of each. So this one says, "Live simply and be grateful," and I like that it's this round, and this right here looks like burlap. It's not burlap, it just looks like it. It's like the sticker that's on there. But I think it's really nice. And then it does have a little burlap bow right there. But I love that sort of like, it's like a pale green pumpkin, which I think is so pretty. So I did go ahead and grab just that one. And then this one says, "Hello Autumn." And I just love this pumpkin on here. I like that muted kind of paint. I think that's so pretty. So this would look really pretty. I mean, you can, you know, add this to a wreath if you wanted to the center of a wreath. Or what you could do is just leave it like it is. And then go ahead and add you some greenery or a bow or something like that to it. I think it would be really pretty. So anyway, went ahead and grabbed that one. And then I did notice they had these signs. Now they had several to choose from, but these were the only two that I really liked. So, and of course I had to get the one with the black and white buffalo check and the little farm truck because that's just me. So I did go ahead and get this one. This one it looks kind of like faux wood, but it says fall, caramel apple, scarecrows, crisp breeze, falling leaves, pumpkins, cider, bonfires, hay rides, harvest. So I think that is really, really cute. I love that faux wood. And it does have, it's like, I don't know, I wouldn't call it a shadow box necessarily but it's, you know, on the back side there where you can probably hang it if you wanted to hang it on a nail or something, or you can just set it, because I think this would probably sit on a shelf pretty good, or in a tiered tray. You could put this maybe on the top tier of the tiered tray. So I grabbed that one. And then the black and white one says Happy Fall, Farm Fresh Pumpkins, Thankful and Blessed. So I think this one is really pretty. And every year I usually do black and white buffalo check for my fall decor. So this will go really good with the rest of my decor that I have. So I did go ahead and grab just that one. They did have these pumpkin wreath frames back in. I do have some, but I wanted to get a couple more because I've seen some tutorials that people have done using these, making some different things out of them. So I thought I'd go ahead and get a couple more and see if maybe I could try and make something out of them. But so these are really nice. And now they do have these. If you can't find these at your Dollar Tree, they do have them at Hobby Lobby, and they are a little. Of course, they're more expensive than $1, but since it's fall, I think Hobby Lobby, a lot of their stuff, their fall stuff, is on a discounted price right now. So you can probably get it for $5 or less. So anyway, I would go ahead, if you can't find them at your Dollar Tree, check your Hobby Lobby. So I grabbed 2 of those. Let's see. Oh, I've been wanting some of these flour sack towels, and I know I could get them at Walmart, and I don't know why I just don't go get them at Walmart, because you get a lot more. But this one, you only get one, but it's a 30-inch by 36-inch, which is a really good size. So I did go ahead and grab one. And honestly, the material, it says it's flour sack, but it doesn't really feel like flour sack to me. I don't know why. It just doesn't feel like the flour sack material that I remember growing up as a kid. So, but anyway, I went ahead and grabbed one. I did go ahead and get some, oops, oh man, quick reflexes. I grabbed some tinsel stems or pipe cleaners. You get 45 in here, and this was for Halloween, the Halloween section. But I needed some more purple ones because I used them all, and I used them in a Wreath tutorial that I have already filmed. I have just not, like I said, I haven't been able to get it edited and uploaded, but I am working on that this week, so hopefully I will get that up. But anyway, I needed some more of those. And then the last couple of things that I picked up are the these little foam pumpkins. Now, usually every year they call them carvable pumpkins, but this year they're just calling them decor. I don't know why, because they're the same thing. So anyway, I did go ahead and grab 4 of these because I will be doing some DIYs with them. So I went ahead and grabbed 4 of those. Okay, so I think that's the end of this haul, guys. Sorry if my energy seems a little low. I'm trying really hard. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because I would love to have you. Leave me a comment down below because I like talking to you guys. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. This is the end of August, thank goodness, because it's like over 100 degrees here and I'm done. I'm over it. So anyway, I just want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.